Today we're going to be making un gâteau au yaourt, otherwise known as a yogurt pot cake. The instructions will be shown in French and in English, but you can follow along on your recipe card if you prefer. D'abord, les ustensiles. Un bol de mélange, une cuillère et un moule. Et les ingrédients: un pot de yaourt, de la farine, 2 pots, du sucre, 1 pot, 3 œufs, de l'huile, un demi-pot, de l'essence de vanille et des myrtilles. I'm using blueberries for this cake, but if you don't like them or if you can't get hold of them, you could use lemon zest, raisins, chocolate chips, or raspberries, or you could just leave them out altogether. It will still be a delicious vanilla cake. Et maintenant, les instructions. Préchauffez la four à 180 degrés ou thermostat 4. Versez le yaourt dans le bol de mélange. Ajoutez la farine, 2 pots, ajoutez un pot de sucre, ajoutez un demi-pot d'huile, ajoutez de l'essence de vanille, cassez les 3 œufs dans le mélange. Oops! Make sure you retrieve any unwanted eggshell from your mixture. Et mélangez. Et maintenant, ajoutez les myrtilles. Beurrez le moule et y versez la pâte. And after 45 minutes, you should have something that looks like this. You can add a little icing sugar if you like, just to make it look even more special, but if you don't have any, don't worry, it will be just as delicious without it. So now all that remains is to pour yourself a nice big cup of tea, grab a knife, cut yourself a slice, and reflect on your excellent work.